question is, how do I get notified if someone looks at my LinkedIn profile or sends me a LinkedIn invite? We'll talk about these invites, and I'm going to talk about the notifications you get in app and outside of app in this video. So right here, you can see right here, the easiest way to see who's viewed your profile from the web app is right here, who's viewed your profile. You click on that. It'll take you to the profile views page. Now, by the way, you can get to the same page from mobile app when you're looking at your LinkedIn profile, because when I'm looking at my LinkedIn profile on the mobile app, the same thing. Here's the analytics, who's viewed your profile right here. Now, if you're paying for LinkedIn, you can get not only some extra insights, but you can also see the last 90 days of who's viewed your profile. But the bottom line is, in the app, whether it's on the mobile app or on the desktop, here's who's viewed your profile right here. Now, the other question is, how do I know if someone sent me an invite to connect? Well, that's going to be right here under my network. Right here under my network, under invitations, you can click on see all. So on this page, you can see here's all the invites I've gotten, all of them. Here's the people invites to connect. Here's the events to attend. And also, if you get invited to follow a company page, you'll see, a company page invites as well, and it'll be follow the page. The one other notification you could get as well as a subscribe to a newsletter, that's going to be under notifications. And the first time someone builds a LinkedIn newsletter, you can get an email on that one. Now, in regards to email, here's some of the other places you'll get notified of followers, or you could get notified of followers as well as invites to connect. Now, if I go to settings and privacy, over here on the right, click on notifications. Over here, notifications you receive, connecting with others. All of these different notifications, invites to connect, can be in app, which means on the website or in the mobile app, or email. So you can make a decision to what you want to have. You also have push notifications. I can turn that on, so that'll pop up on your mobile device. These are the different options you can get. Again, email, push notifications, or in app. Every one of these options in here, new followers, you get the same three choices. Send me an email, pop it up on my cell phone, or make sure it's in the app. So again, web interface or mobile app. This is all about the different ways to get notifications for who's viewed your profile, as well as who sent you invites on LinkedIn. What's important is to pay attention to these notifications and to act upon the ones that are the most important to you. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.